Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my awesome Lego tow truck. It has with suspension on the back, no suspension on the front, but it's cool. It has like this part and it's nice. Now I'm going to show you the suspension, how it works. It has a rubber band attached over here with a wheel attacher. That's why it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And in the same side, goes up, down, up, down. And I'll show you in the inside. There is no room for drivers. A driver can't sit. A driver can't sit. I'll show you the example. See, there is a driver. Now when I keep the driver over here, it just fits like this. And when I keep the roof, the head comes in and the head falls. See, the head falls. And actually, but still it works like nice. It can't carry, but it can't take cars, but it's still nice. And it's very nice. I'll show you the down part. Just in one base I have made this whole truck. You can make this in different types, like this cool, easy, small suspension. I will show you how to build this. Now I'm going to show you how to build it. First, I'm going to show you how to build a chassis. It has actually I didn't told it, but it has a plate with a hole over here and a plate I used over here. And next, taking this piece, the same one, but you can make it in the same. And that is not over, I'll tell you. Next, you need this piece. Stick it over here. Now I'm going to show you how to make a wheels. You need this and fit it over here like this. Okay, this is over. Now you can take this piece and stick all the wheels over here like this. Next you need this. Sorry, I told double times next, but it's okay. Next you need these two pieces and stick over here. It will be like this suspension I told you. Next, take your chassis, simple nice chassis, and fit it over here. And this is over. You can make a simple car up of this chassis or the suspension part, and even you can make like a man can sit inside. My tow truck is also nice, but man can't sit inside. But I have an idea. You're taking our tow truck back. Now I'm going to show you down again. I'm taking off the roof and take the man. Just remove the pants. Yeah, you just think it will sit. And take it. Keep your arms like this, and he will just fit in. Actually, it's not enough for this. Arms should be like this. He will just fit in like this without pants, man. And we can fit it, and he fits comfortably over here and goes. But one thing is left for him. This. But it's okay, it looks like he's sitting because his pants is not showing it. I'll remove the man again and wearing it. No problem because it's not a set. You can even make it like this. It's not a set. You can even get this tow truck in a set, but I didn't make it in a set. I saw videos and make it. This I made by my custom. It's custom. It's custom. If you want, you can fit big wheels over here more than this wheels. And thank you for seeing this video. Subscribe this video if you want to. Bye.